Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope everybody is fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. My name is Shazia Zahir. I am the English teacher of the educator of our class campus. Today I'm taking class 7 English. Before we start our class, let's raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Amin. Well, this is chapter number 2, Cat. Cat is a poem name, page number 22. Today we are going to start our literature. Poem name is Cat, chapter number 2. Let's read it. And before read it, we must see the picture or the title of the poem. Look at this picture, how beautiful it looks. It looks like that there are two cats. On the first page, the cat is furry. It looks bunky, healthy, fat. It has yellow white, and I think it's a pet one because it looks so beautiful, neat and clean. Yes, cat is a pet animal too. Everybody likes to have a pet like cat. On the other hand, we can easily see that there is a tree and the cat is on the top of the tree to save her life from someone. We will come to know after reading the poem that by whom she is saving her life. She is on the top of the tree and looking down that if somebody is chasing her or not. So let's read it. Cat. Cat's cat. Cat. Scat. Scat means to leave. Atter her means at her. Sleeky flatterer. Sleeky means shiny, softy, flatterer. Spitefire chatterer. Spitefire means someone who is very quick tempered, who is very active, sharp. Scatter her. Of her mat. Who is the mat? Look at this word. This word is telling that there is someone else. Who is her mat? Woof woof. Who make a sound of woof woof? Yes, the dog. Dog make the sound of woof woof. Treat her rough. Who treats her rough? Who treats her? Her is being referred to the cat. Treat rough. Who treat rough? The dog treat the cat roughly and he chases the cat. Get her. Get her means to get her. Get her. Get her. Whiskered spider. Catch her. Catch her. Means the poet is saying, the poet Eleanor Fajon is saying to the dog that quickly go and catch the cat. Green-eyed is catcher. Green-eyed. Who is green-eyed? Yes, the cat has a green eye. Slithery. Slithery is a sound. Slippery. Hisser. Don't miss her. The poet is saying to the dog that don't miss the cat. Catch it. Run till you are dithery. Run till you are not tired. Hidri thidri. Hidri thidri means here and there. Puff piffs. How she spites. How she runs. Spatch. Can't she scratch? Can't she scratch the nails? From the nails she can scratch. Scratching at bark. Scratching at bark means scratching the bark. Who has the bark? Who barks? Yes, the dog bark of this sycamore tree. She is reached her ark. She is reached at the place where she wants to save her life. And hissing at me. Hissing at me is looking at me. Who's piffs woof woof means the dog is making the sound. Scat cat. That's that. So these are the two stanzas in which the poet is telling about a cat, that the cat is running and the dog is chasing her. Well, student, there is a word explanation on the board. Look at the difficult word. The word was get. Get is an old English, old term which means to get. Alright. The second word was spitefire. Spitefire means quick tempered, who becomes very quickly active. The third word was scat. Scat means to leave immediately. Means the order was given to the dog that leave immediately and catch the dog. Scat. Scatter. Scatter means to throw things around, means to random the room or the place where you are sitting. So these are the word explanation which you have to do in the copy. Well, it's exercise question number 1. Exercise A. Look at question number 1. What is being asked in that? How do we know that more than one animal is involved in the poem? Yes, by the help of sound, woof woof, we come to know that more than one animal is involved in the poem. Who is speaking in the poem and to whom are the words addressed? Yes, the poet is speaking to the dog to catch the cat. And the words are being addressed to the dog. Which word in the poem appropriately describe the cat and why? You can easily find the words from the poem which can easily describe the cat, like scat, sleeky flatterer, spitefire, scatter her, and whisky spider, and don't miss her. These are the words which is explaining about the cat. Question number 4. Which instructions or order in the poems are not directly to the cat? Yes, some instructions are to the dog, that treat her rough, get her. These are the instructions, get her. So they are not to the cat, they are about the dog. Which words are used in the poem for sounds? Make a list. Yes, woof woof, piff piffs are the sound. You can make a list by yourself. Do question number 6 and 7 by yourself. These are very easy. Look at, refer to text. Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. Scratching the bark of the sycamore tree. Who is performing the action? Yes. Who is going on the top of the tree? Yes, the cat. What does the word scratching suggest? Scratching means to leave. Scratching means, look at this word. A word sounding like scratching, used for sound effect. Alright. You can easily find the answer from the book. In what way is the sycamore tree important to her? Give 2 reasons for its importance. Yes, the cat can save her life and the dog cannot reach on the top of that. Make a list. Look at poetry section. Make a list of the words in the poem that have similar sounds. Similar sound means rhyming words. There are some rhyming words like cat's cat, her, flatterer, chatterer are the rhyming words. Spitefire, her, scratcher are the rhyming words. Woof woof are the rhyming words. These are the words by which you can easily make the sound. Look at exercise number D, words and meaning. You have to find the meanings from the dictionary and make a sentences of that. Question number 2, explain the following in your own words. And like this, sleeky flatterer means, look at the word sleeky flatterer, to please or gratify. It means to please or gratify. Number B, the spitefire chatterer means someone who fight for the life. Number 3, whisky spider means facial expression of the animal, especially cat. Alright, you have to write down the meaning of that. Now look at the board for the homework. Well, student, this is the homework, chapter number 2, which we have learned about the cat. First, you have to explain about the title page which I explained in my video. You have to maintain it. After that, you will do the word explanation, which I will make you do on the board. Exercise A, which I explained in my video. B, refer to text. C, poetry. And D, words and meaning. Alright, student, I hope you understood today's topic. Allah Hafiz, till the next video.